In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL in Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're updating your site for SEO purposes or simply tidying things up, having the right URL structure can make all the difference. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so grab your computer, log into your Squarespace account, and let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace login page. Here, you will simply click on the login button. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. Select this option to proceed. This step is streamlined for most users and is a convenient way to manage your login details without additional passwords. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Click on the site where you want to change the page URL. It's really important to confirm you're working on the right site if you manage multiple websites to avoid any mix-up. Once you've accessed your site, look towards the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages. This will display all the pages that you currently have on your website, both live and draft versions. It's always good practice to familiarize yourself with the layout here, as it helps when managing content across your site. Next, you need to identify which page you want to change the URL for. Hover over the title of the page and you'll see a gear icon appear. Click on this gear icon to access the page settings. This is where you'll gain control over various attributes of the page, including its URL. In the settings panel, direct your attention to the URL slug section. The URL slug is essentially the part of the URL that identifies this particular page. Click on it, type in the new URL that you want, and remember to keep it clear and relevant, as this can improve how search engines read the content of your page. Finally, once you're satisfied with the new URL, click the Save button. Saving these changes will update how your page is accessed, so make sure to update any links pointing to this page accordingly. It's worthwhile to double check internal links on your site to ensure everything points to the new URL smoothly, and there you have it, you've successfully updated a page URL in Squarespace. Remember, these changes can have significant impacts on SEO and user navigation, so use this feature with care. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Squarespace tips and tricks.